PC amateur guy here. This is the Tower 200. Just gonna do a quick review. Probably late to the party, to be honest, because there's obviously a lot of reviews on this. The airflow was good, and just turn it on here. This is more like a, to be honest with you, this is like more like a show-off piece, a PC. You want to show off your PC, and it is quite big for an ITX. It can fit a micro motherboard in it, but yeah, it's pretty good. Listen, yeah, you can't hear anything. I know. It is on. It has a 14900K in here. And these panels are easy to come out. It takes an ATX power supply here. Let me just talk a little bit on how you're going to build this. There is a 3 slot PCE. So right now this is using a 2 slot card here, but you can actually put like a 4 slot card in here. So it's great, pretty roomy. You can fit a 4090K in here if you want to. This fan here is intake. This is actually exhaust, right? So exhaust out of the case. This is also exhaust, and then I also have a back fan. You can see that you can fit only like 140 millimeter. You can fit another one according to the specs, but there's like a lot of cables back there, so it's not gonna work properly. I would just stick with the 140 or 120. I also set that up as an exhaust. And a lot of people don't know this. You might ask the question, well, what about my GPU here? What is that, right? So the 3 fans here actually is intake, right? So if you have intake, exhaust, intake, and exhaust in the back, it's actually a good idea to set these fans as exhaust and exhaust and exhaust in the back, and then this is only one intake. Some people say this is just one intake, but actually you gotta factor in the GPU as well, right? So the GPU, there's also 3 fan intake there. So essentially, when it's under load, this is gonna pull in hot air, and then you're gonna actually get the hot air out. So this is actually optimized, right? And you can only fit up to 280 or 240 AL on this one. You can also fit a 120 or 140 on top. Yeah. So do I like it? Yeah, it has a really good airflow. Right now, the 14900K at idle is like 33 degrees, and at load is 81 degrees. The GPU is around 30, actually about 50 degrees, just like passive, not using it. And then under load, it goes around like 91 degrees hotspot. So it's really good. This is a 2080 Ti here. Yeah, so I hope you like my review. I got this for $100 at Canada Computers. So should you get it? If you like it and you have the space for it, it's pretty big. So just keep that in mind. But I definitely recommend it if you have space for it and you like to show off your parts. Not good or bad, just it's a really nice looking case, Tower 200. Thanks for watching.